How to make symmetrical box joints on a table saw with no jig or dado stack. Virtually all of the videos on how to make box joints use jigs that cause uneven spacing on the end fingers of the box joint. Plus, you would only really need to make a jig if you're going to have a production line of box joints, which isn't the case for most people doing small projects at home. Making attractive symmetrical box joints with no jig just means a bit of measurement and some division on the calculator. My board is 3 inches and 5/16 wide, and this mount always needs to be divided by an odd number to obtain a symmetrical box joint. I decided to go with 7 divided into 3 inches and 5/16, which will give me 15 32nds wide fingers. Here I'm marking the board every 15 32nds. Next I line up the two boards with the grain matched and draw a straight line at every 15 32nds. After this is done, I mark every finger that needs to be removed with an X. My wood depth is 3/4 inch, and I need to set the saw blade height slightly more at 53/64. Cut just shy of the pencil line on the insides of every finger to be removed. The remaining edge can be removed with a file. By doing it this way, you should have tight joints with virtually no gaps. Glue up the two sides of the joint and interlock the two pieces of wood. I added some sawdust and glue to fill any tiny gaps. The glue has dried, and now for some sanding. After this, I applied 3 coats of water-based polyacrylic, sanding back each coat lightly with 220 grit sandpaper. Now for the final install. As you can see, symmetrical joints are far more pleasing to the eye and aren't difficult to make. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.